Hi friends, myself Manjudeep, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Currently, I am studying in second year CSE. So today we are going to discuss a topic on the subject operating system. So let's see what the topic is. So today's presentation is all about what is operating system, computer system structure, views of operating system. So what is an operating system? So what is an operating system? So an operating system is a system software that acts as an intermediate between a user of the computer and the computer hardware. So it is a software that manages the computer hardware. OS allows the user to execute programs in a convenient and efficient manner. So operating system goals. So the main goals of the operating systems are make the computer system convenient to use. It hides the difficulty in managing the hardware. So use the computer hardware in an efficient manner. And the third point is provide an environment in which user can easily interact with the computer. So it is a resource allocation. So the second one is about computer system structure. So components of the computer system. So computer system structure. So components of the computer system. So we are going to discuss about that. So computer system mainly consists of four components. So the first one is hardware. So it provides the basic computer resources. Example like CPU, memory, and I/O devices. And the second one is operating system. So controls and coordinates use of hardware among various applications and users. And the third one is application programs. So define the way in which the system resources are used to solve the computer problems of the users. And the last one is word processor. That's not the last one. These are the examples of application programming. So word processors, compilers, web browsers, database systems, and video games. So abstract view of components of the computer system. So you can see user 1, user 2, user 3, and so on up to user n. So, and each one is connected to a system and application program and compiler, assembler, test editor, data and system. So the operating system here you can see here, it acts as an interface between the user and the computer hardware. So helps the user to interact with the computer hardware by using operating system. So it acts like a software. So the basic hardware components of CPU, memory, I/O devices. So the application program uses these components. So the OS controls and coordinates use of hardware among various applications, programs like compiler, word processor, etc. For various users, the OS allocates the resources among the programs such that the hardware is efficiently used. So the operating system is the program running at all the times on the computer. So it is usually called as the kernel. So kernel functions are used always in system. So always stored in memory. No kernel functions are stored in hard disk, and it is retrieved whenever required. So third one, what are the views of OS? So let's see the views of OS. So operating system can be viewed from two viewpoints, user view and the system view. So first let us discuss about the user's view. So the user's view of the operating system depend upon the type of user. So the first one. So if the user is using standalone system, then OS is designed for easier of use and high performance. Here, resource utilization is not given importance. And the second one, if the users are at different terminals connected to a mainframe or a mini computers by sharing information and resources, then the OS is designed to maximize resources utilization. So OS is designed such that the CPU time, memory, and I/O are used efficiently, and no single user takes more than the resources allowed to them. And the third one is if the users are in workstations connected to networks and servers, then the users have a system unit of their own and share resources and files with other systems. Here, the OS is designed for both ease of use and resources available files. Second one is the system view. So operating system can be viewed as a resource allocation and control program. And the first one is resource allocation. So the OS acts as a manager of hardware and software resources. So CPU time, memory space, file storage space, I/O devices, shared files, etc. So are the different resources required during execution of the program. So there can be conflict request for these resources by different programs running in the same system. So the OS assign the resources to the requesting program depending upon the priorities. So which has higher priority will be executed first and lower priority will be executed last. And the second one is control program. So the OS is a control program and manages the execution of user program to prevent errors and improper use of the computer. So thank you for watching this video.